Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have our very own Simply Scuba MK1 dive torch. So this is a really compact little dive torch and we kind of spec'd it out ourselves, so it's really nice and compact, but it is very powerful. So this is a 1000 lumen dive torch. It's completely factory sealed, so you never have to worry about taking batteries out or anything. You just recharge it in the back. I'll show you how that works later. Multiple power settings, so you can sort of dial it up and down, and it actually has different programmable modes in it as well. So if you just want to keep it in like a power saving mode, you can change that sort of on the fly. So looking at the torch itself, really nice and compact. So this will stow away in a pocket. It sits quite nicely in your hand, and it's very lightweight as well. The main body of it is actually made out of anodized aluminium, so very lightweight, very strong, but also corrosion resistant, so you don't have to worry about rust or anything. On the back, this is where the sort of main activation button is and the recharging section is. So this silver button here, this is how you switch it on and off and change all the different settings. And these two gold pins, this is how you're going to recharge the torch when you're back on shore. Also has a lanyard loop. We actually made this a little bit larger just so you can fit sort of multiple threads. So if you're attaching a bolt snap onto it, you can sort of run it through a couple times. It does come with a section of sort of nylon cord, which you can use as a wrist lanyard, or you can sort of use it to tie on a bolt snap. On the front, we just got a single LED, and that's what's producing anywhere up to 1000 lumens of bright white light. So I was talking about the recharging. So this has a lithium-ion battery on the inside, and it comes supplied with a USB cable, which is magnetic. So this naturally just kind of seats itself in, and that's it. All you have to do is plug it into a powered USB port, just like the rest of your sort of smartphones and tablets, and that's going to recharge the torch. So at full power, this sort of goes up to 1000 lumens of white light, and this is spread over about a 16-degree beam. Now it's flashing because the battery's a little bit low, so that's one of the indicators that tells you it's running low on battery. But on the back, you can see we also have a color-coded LED. So because now it's red, it means that the battery is running low. If everything's fine, then it turns green, and you've got amber in the middle as well. So pressing down the button is how you're going to cycle through the different power modes. And if you hold it down, that's going to switch it off completely. So very neat and tidy. It kind of does everything. We wanted a small compact torch that's very powerful. It's factory sealed, so you never have to worry about sort of changing any O-rings or any kind of flooding. It's all kind of inbuilt and nice and neat. At full power, this runs for about 90 minutes, but at its lowest power, it can run for days, literally. It's a very neat and sort of tidy torch, and you can either use it above on the surface. So if you're walking the dogs at night, you can use this. So it's a very multifunctional torch. This is our Simply Scuba MK1 dive torch. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.